In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to connect to Salesforce using DataSync. To begin, open DataSync and go to Connect Data Source. Choose the Salesforce object provider. We now need to get our consumer key and consumer secret from Salesforce. In Salesforce, go to Setup, Apps, App Manager, and choose New Connected App. Type in a title for the app, then type in a contact email, and then enable OAuth settings. Type in a callback URL, in this case we've used Semego's website, and then choose the required OAuth scopes. We need to add access and manage your data as a minimum to allow us to read and write to Salesforce. Click Continue. Our consumer key is now available under API. Copy this into the correct field in DataSync. Now click to reveal the consumer secret and copy this into DataSync. We now need to get our security token. Go back to Salesforce and under the user icon go to Settings and then Reset My Security Token. Click the button and the system will then send you an email containing your new security key. Copy this into DataSync and complete the credentials with your username and password. Finally, choose the object you wish to connect to. In this case, we'll stick with account. Now save the connection, type in a name for the connection, and the columns from that object will now load into the schema. If we click on Preview A, we can see that the data has loaded and we've successfully connected to Salesforce. Now, if we go to the connection library and refresh the window, we can see our Salesforce connection has been added. We can then see all the objects available to connect to. To show you how we can make use of the connection library, let's go ahead and create a new project. In the library, open the Salesforce connection and choose the object you wish to connect to. You can either drag and drop this onto the data source or right-click and choose either source or target. We can see that all of the columns are loaded into the schema, and if we click Preview A, we can see the data contained in the object. Another feature of the connection library is the ability to preview an object's data before loading into a data source. To do this, right-click and choose Preview. As we can see, CaseFile does not contain any data. However, if we go back to Account, we can see this object does contain a set of data.